So hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we are gonna learn about basic properties of CSS. Okay. In the previous video, I have talked about some of the basic things of CSS, like what are the internal CSS, external CSS, and inline CSS are. So today we are gonna move towards the basic properties of CSS. Okay. And for this video, I'm gonna use external CSS. Okay. Uh, okay. Let me see if everything is all right now. Yeah, this is good. Have I? Okay. Let me remove the style tag from here. Okay. I don't want image tag right now. Here. Okay. So what we are gonna learn today is, you know, some of the, how to change text color. Okay, text color. Sorry. How to change font size, how to change background color. Okay, on it, yeah. And next we can learn is what we can learn is how to change alignment of a text. Okay, we can learn that. Some basic things actually, some of the basic things. Okay, so this is what we are gonna learn today. Okay, let me comment out it. Okay, yeah. So let me do something. Let me, let's say I want to change the background color of the body. Okay, what I can do is go to my oh, 1 minute. Let me start my server here. Go live. Yes, this is showing red because I think there is some CSS added here. Yeah, CSS is added here. So let me remove all of this. Okay, so what we can do is, if we want to change some, the change of the body tag, change the background color of the body tag, so we can write down body background color equal to, let's say, blue. Yes, blue. It will be changed into blue. Okay, you can do that. Let's say I want to, you know, change the color of h1 tag. Okay, so what I can do is h1 color. What is the current color of H1? Let me see. It is black. I want to make it white. So I will write a white. So it will be white. Okay. Now, if I want to change the font size of it, 1 minute. Font size. Like I want to make it very big. Let's say I want to make it, 10 VH. Okay, VH is a parameter. Okay. I'll talk about that in next videos. 1 minute. So this is a very big. 10 VH is very big. Okay, very big. Next, what we want to do is, we have changed text color. We have changed font size, background color. Let's say I want to change the alignment of the text. So what I can do is text. 1 minute. Text align center. So it will be centered. You can see here. It is centered now. Okay. So we can explore more properties of CSS in this thing also. Like, let me see. There is something called text decoration also. We can do it like dashed. Okay, there's nothing showing up here. I think it is the default value. Let's say underline. See, it will get underlined. Okay, let's say I want to make it something else. You know, something like wavy. It is not showing something. Maybe some for some reason it is not showing something. Okay, so next thing we can do is, let's say, uh, uh let's explore more properties here. There is, this is some, advanced properties. Okay, so if I go straight into these things, you'll not understand it. So I'm not going deep in this right now. Okay, yeah. Let's say I want to change the font family. Yeah, font family. There's many fonts available in CSS. Let's say I have Helvetica sans serif. Okay, it will be changed, and this is a very good font which I use. Okay, this is a very very good font, and it looks good on almost everything. Okay, almost on every website. So this is for today. These are some basic properties of CSS. You can play with it, spend some time with CSS, so you can learn more about it. Okay, so in the next video, I'm gonna tell you about the div, or you can say container things, and what are the classes or IDs in CSS. Okay, so for now, I'm taking your leave, and bye.